Hi, I just wanted to cover over uh, the last lesson talking about open D tuning. One of the things about that is it's very difficult to do solo playing or playing scales over it. So a cool idea is because it is, if you're playing in D or B minor, this should work. So what I like to do is from the diatonic chords that we looked at in the previous lessons, you can use that and just play the, how do you say, the shells of those scales. And in this you can strum all 6 strings. So you have your open D, and you just play the open, so the lead part will come from the first and the second string. So we're going to do open first string, open second string. Okay. Next we're going to do is, you can use 2 fingers or you can bar, it's up to you. The second fret of the second string, second fret of the first string. So we're just using the upper shell of the E minor chord. Next is F sharp minor, so same, just moved up. So we're fretting the 4th fret of the second string and first string. Sounds kind of strange, but it's okay. So next is the 5th fret, second string, first string. Next is the 7th fret. So the handy thing about this is the shape doesn't really change. So 7th fret, second string and first string. And then next is 9th fret, second string, first string again. Okay, now we have to do the C sharp diminished. We need to change this, the fretting on this. We need to do 10th fret on the second string, 11th fret on the first string, like so. And then to resolve, we go back to the 12th fret of the second string and first string. So we can kind of play around with that. You can take that a step even more simplified. We can just play it on the B string and play all the strings again. So that's how I like to go about playing some kind of lead work over open chord tunings. You can learn the scales, but they're not as easy to visualize. Well, for me anyway. So like if okay. So I still need to work on this open tuning. It's not really my forte, but hopefully that will inspire you to mess around with this tuning. It's like when I'm trying to write or trying to think up of ideas, a good way is to change the tuning and do some things that you would normally do, but try and match it up. The easiest way for me is just think of D major because it's all open strings, and just work on that. Enjoy. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. Please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Bye.